Juan with the Skagit Home Repairs. I am in Mount Vernon, Washington today, and problem that we are addressing today is a roof leak. They had a fireplace and it started leaking, and anyways, they removed the fireplace, and now we just got to do that roof repair. And here's what we're looking at. We're gonna remove all those shingles, and we will replace the sheeting, underlayment, and shingles, and we will patch the roof. And in conclusion, that's where that guy was, and now it's being patched. So